Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Kia Soul front bumper. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface and the engine is off. You will need a few basic tools, including a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and a trim removal tool. Begin by opening the hood and locating the plastic clips along the top edge of the bumper. Carefully pry these clips out using your trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver. Next, move to the wheel wells. You will find several screws connecting the fender liners to the bumper. Use your 10mm socket wrench to remove these fasteners on both the driver's and passenger's sides. After the screws are out, gently pull back the fender liner to access additional clips. Disconnect any fog light or turn signal wiring harnesses by pressing the release tabs and pulling them apart. Now it's time to address the lower section of the bumper. Get underneath the vehicle and identify all the remaining plastic clips and screws. These typically run along the bottom edge, securing the bumper to the undercarriage. Carefully remove each of these fasteners. Once all clips and screws are detached, the bumper should be loose. Have a soft blanket or cardboard ready to place the bumper on to prevent scratches. To reinstall the front bumper, simply reverse the removal process. Carefully align the bumper with the mounting points and ensure all tabs click into place. Reconnect all electrical harnesses for your lights and secure every screw and clip you removed. Take your time to ensure a snug fit, preventing any gaps. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals to help you out. A properly installed bumper ensures both safety and aesthetics for your Kia Soul.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.